Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing, and this is a 4K, another one, Android TV box that I got from GearBest.com free of charge in full disclosure. And the reason why we're going to look at this one is that this is another one of these boxes that's running with the TV version of Android TV, not a tablet interface that has been put on top of it, or at least that's what they said. We'll validate that when we do the full review, which you can find at lon.tv. I think this sells for about $40. It feels like a $40 device, but if it can run Android TV for us, that might be something good for a secondary television or whatever. What you got here on the back is your power input. It's taking DC at 5 volts, probably USB voltage. HDMI out, again, supports 4K and I believe HDR. Also has what looks like here to be a composite video out and analog video out in one connector there. They've got cables for that. 100 megabit Ethernet here, I believe. I'll check and see if maybe it's gigabit, but I'm pretty sure it's 100 megabit. And here is your optical audio out. On this side, we've got an SD card slot. In China, they call it TF, but it's still the same micro SD card. 2 USB 2.0 ports there, it looks like, and that is it. You can see there's a big microphone on here because they're pushing the fact that you can use voice control, presumably through the Android TV interface. Here is the remote. And this looks a lot like one we saw on the last box that we looked at, although it looks like it's got some air mouse functionality. So let's take a look at the little manual here. I think this might be something where you switch it into mouse mode and just kind of navigate with the arrows, but we'll double check on that. And something is rattling around in here, but I suspect that is the little dongle that it connects with. So that probably means this does not support Bluetooth, but we'll double check on that. It might be the dongle for the button pushes and then maybe Bluetooth on the audio, but it looks like it's probably not a Bluetooth device if it has that dongle packed in. There's the microphone for that. And then they sent me the European power adapter, but that's not a big deal. We can use an adapter for that. I think it switches to 110, yep, as most do these days, so that shouldn't be an issue. And here, of course, is the HDMI cable. So we're going to get this thing booted up and see what it is capable of. And we'll have a full review of this coming soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.